2 tan A equal to 3. So we have to find 4 sin A plus 3 cos A. 4 sin A plus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Okay. So should I write it as 10 A should be equal to 3 by 4? Yes or no? Sai?
3 by 2, right?
Okay. 3 by 2. So according to the Pythagoras triplet, 10A should be equal to perpendicular upon base. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if we have a right angle triangle, then it should be equal to 3, perpendicular should be 3, and base should be 2, and we have to find hypotenuse. Okay?
Yes.
So it should be equal to hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So 3 square plus 2 square, that is 9 plus 4. And what is 9 plus 4? 13. That is hypotenuse is under root 13. Now, what is sine A? Sine A should be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos A should be equal to base upon hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular here? 3 upon root 13. And what is base here? 2 upon root 13. Now substitute the values. That is 4 sin A plus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Okay. So by substituting the value 4 into 3 by root 13 plus 3 into 2 by root 13 whole divided by 4 into 3 by root 13 minus 3 into 2 by root 13. Any doubt?
No.
Say.
No.
Okay. So this should be equal to 12 by root 13 plus 3 to the 6 by root 13 whole divided by 12 root 13 minus 6 root 13. Now base is same, so numerator should be added, that is 12 plus 6 equals to 18 divided by root 13 whole divided by, what is 12 minus 6? 6 by root 13. Root 13 cancel, and 6 3 times 18 cancel. I think option number C is the right answer.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Any other doubt?
I have another doubt, but it's a word problem.
Okay, can you send me the question?
Yes. How can I take photo? 1 minute.
See in the chat box here. I'll send you hi. There is a camera sign. You can just click the picture and send me.
Hmm. 1 minute.
Okay, I'll wait.
I attached it.
Okay. A ladder set against the wall at an angle of 45 degree to the ground. If the foot of the ladder is pulled away from the wall through the distance of 4 meter, its top slide a distance of 3 meter down the wall, making an angle of 30 degree. With the help of ground, find the final height of the top of the ladder from the ground and the length of the ladder. Okay. So here it makes an angle 45 degree and foot of the ladder is 4 meter. Okay. I think it is a question of height and distance.
Yes.
Okay. Then this is A, C, say this is O, this is B, this one is D. Okay. Now we have given, one second. Okay, so we have given a wall at an angle of 45 degree to the ground and foot of the ladder is 4 meter. So the foot of the ladder should be 4 meter. Okay. Its top slides a distance of 3 meter down the wall, making an angle of 30 degree. Got it. So this should be equal to 45 degree and this should be equal to 30 degree. And this height, this foot of the ladder should be equal to 4 meter. And we have to find the final height with the
AC
distance
is
of 3
4
meter
meter,
down the
right?
wall. Sorry?
Isn't AC 4 meter?
Where?
The AC should be 4 meter, right? Instead of OC.
Yeah. Okay. And it is given that top sides have a distance of 3 meter. Okay, and we have to
Hello? Hello? Mm-hmm.